Hello, everyone! Welcome to our English quiz. Today, we are going to test your knowledge of three important parts of speech: prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. There are 10 questions in total. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. What is a preposition? The correct answer is letter B. A preposition is a word that gives information about where something is or how things are related in space or time. It helps to describe the position, direction, or location of an object or person. Question number 2. What is a conjunction? The correct answer is letter C. A conjunction is a word that is used to connect words, phrases, or clauses together. It helps to join two or more things in a sentence. Question number 3. What is an interjection? The correct answer is letter D. An interjection is a word that expresses a sudden or strong feeling or emotion. It is often used to interrupt the flow of speech and convey immediate reactions or responses. Question number 4. Which of the following is a preposition? The correct answer is letter C. Under is a preposition because it shows the location or position of something. It tells us that something is below, beneath, or lower than something else. Moving on to number 5. Which of the following is a conjunction? The correct answer is letter D, and is a conjunction because it connects two or more words or phrases together. It is used to join similar ideas, actions, or elements in a sentence. Question number 6. Which of the following is an interjection? The correct answer is letter C. Yay is an interjection because it expresses excitement or joy. It is often used to cheer or celebrate something. Question number 7. Identify the interjection in the following sentence. Ouch! That hurt. The correct answer is letter C. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotions or feelings. In this sentence, ouch is used to express pain, making it the correct interjection. Question number 8. Which word does not function as a conjunction? The correct answer is letter B. Hello is a common greeting and does not function as a conjunction. It is used to greet or get attention, not to join words, phrases, or clauses together. Moving on to number 9. Select the appropriate conjunction to complete the sentence. I wanted to go to the beach. Blanket started raining heavily. The correct answer is letter C. But the conjunction but is used to join two contrasting or opposing ideas. In this case, the speaker's desire to go to the beach is contradicted by the heavy rain. Lastly, which word in the following sentence is a preposition? The dog is beside the tree. The correct answer is letter D. Beside is a preposition because it shows the location of the dog in relation to the tree. It tells us that the dog is next to or by the side of the tree. That's the end of the quiz. Great job! You've learned about prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Understanding these parts of speech will help you become better at expressing yourself and understanding the meaning of sentences. Keep up the good work and continue to explore the fascinating world of language.